So over here on the left hand side of Adobe Bridge, you can see the collections of images right here. So what you can do is you can go ahead and rename out the collections as well. For example, there's the flowers collection right here. I can simply go ahead and then right click, and I can go ahead and rename out this collection as I want. So I'm just going to go around and say flower images right here, and they have been renamed, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go ahead and then right click right here and delete a particular collection if you don't want. So you can see that it says delete collection. It's asking you whether you're sure, and it says deleting the collection will remove it from Bridge collection list. Are you sure you want to delete it? So if you were to delete it, the pictures aren't deleted, only the collection and the link is deleted from Bridge, and that's it. So with the collection right here, you can also have easy access to it by adding it to favorites. So you can go around and click and drag it out to favorites right here, so that the collection is in the favorite section, or you can right click on a particular collection and then choose add to favorites right here, just like this as well, and the collection gets added in the favorite section, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and rename, delete, and add collection to favorites inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.